Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back with another episode this fine morning. Nothing too crazy today. We just got an episode of SuperCar Sunday. This is the first time I've been to SuperCar Sunday in probably 3 years. I feel like they used to host this every single week, and maybe they still do. I just don't know about it. Regardless, should be a good time. Quick little in and out type of thing. Hey, this morning I had a tough time waking up. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this daylight savings has me fucked up. I absolutely hate it. As I was saying, I absolutely hate it. This fake clock. We lost an hour for no good reason. They say that it's to conserve electricity. Well, you have to turn on your lights an hour earlier if that's really the case, so it doesn't make a difference either way. It'll take some getting used to, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
Sure, coffee or something?
Keeps it nice and covered. Ben insisted on a coffee. So, I bet that was a real cute angle. We're gonna get some coffee. All right, guys, we are at SuperCar Sunday. There's a bunch of Porsches here, a bunch. I think it's just because Porsche Woodland Hills, right over there, just opened up a new dealership out here, and so I guess they're promoting their new dealership. One of my friends went in there though, and he said it was absolute garbage. Like the place itself looks amazing, but otherwise they didn't have any nice cars apparently. So that's kind of a loss.
Porsches. No nice cars, only Porsches.
I'm not crazy. You said you went into a Porsche dealership and didn't see any nice cars, right? Is there something else that can happen?
Pretty much going to be wrapping up for the day over here. Got what we could. Everybody else is pretty much heading on out. Some people are coming in, but you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm. Maybe I'm thinking to hit a canyon drive. It would really just be to give you guys a little POV video. Found Ben.
What's going on? I FaceTime David.
You want to hit a canyon?
I show him the little cars.
What little cars?
There's like a midget car over there. Those little midget cars. I FaceTime David. I go look for you.
Anyway, that's pretty much it. We'll see what happens on the road, but like I said, a lot of Porsches. A lot of Porsches. A couple of Ferraris, McLarens, but otherwise that's about it. A lot of Porsches. But again, just to advertise their new dealership over here. So that's it. You want to hit a canyon a little bit or no? I'm down. So we did decide we are going to do a little canyon run. We're currently waiting on the side here for our friend in the STO. Fun little update. I got a GoPro, so should be able to get you guys a nice, hopefully nice POV. Kind of get you a feel of what it's like in the cockpit. But otherwise, that's really it. We're just going to head up, head back down, and then pretty much call it a day, I think. So should be good. Hey Ben, if you can hear me, make a right at the top. had my Apple Watch on. My heart is racing. We need them ventilated seats and maximum AC. I got that on video. Bro, I have it on video.
Hell yeah.
That was crazy. Are you good, bro?
Yeah. I literally, my hand slipped off the wheel. I was like, oh shit.
Oh my, dude, I first I saw you lose it. It kind of came back in, and then you went back further into the.
Yeah.
Wow, thank God, nothing major.
No, that's good.
Holy shit. Yo.
Look, you're. Oh, why don't you wait a minute?
It's not me, bro. I'm in the middle of these cars.
You guys didn't wait one, not even 30 seconds. You guys didn't wait.
Well, guys, that pretty much concludes our drive for the day. We lost Ben in the canyon at some point. There was a Cayenne or some car, whatever. We had to get around. He couldn't get around, so we ended up unfortunately running without him. So I'm just here on the side of the road waiting for him to come through. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. There he comes. Pull over, pull over, pull over. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like always, like, comment, subscribe, share. If there's anything, like I said last time, that you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments below. But otherwise, we'll catch you next week.